Hello everyone, welcome again back to this channel. In this video I'm going to be drafting this built up neckline pattern, so let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to draft my basic bodice. So I'm going to be leaving a gap of 3 inches here at the upper part. So after that, I'm going to input my shoulder measurement. My shoulder measurement is 15 inches. So from here, from this tip here, I'll measure 15 inches. Half of 15 inches, that's 7.5. So I'm going to come down here by 1.5 inches. Then I'm going to join this point to this point. So my armhole length also is 7.5 inches. Okay, so my bust is 9 inches. My bust is 9 inches, that's 36 divided by 4, that's 9 inches. So assuming I have 1.5 inches sewing allowance, then my half length measurement is 15. It's 15. This 15. So my waist is 28. 20 divided by 4, that's 7. 1.5 inches. So this is assumed that this is a basic bodice pattern. So from here, this is where I have my neckline. This is the neck region. So my neck width is 3 inches. This is where 3 inches is. So I'm going to extend the line upward. So I'm going to create a curve from here. So I'm making my curve 2 inches by 2 inches, the arc. So this is the point. So I'm going to create a curve. So if I trace out, this is what I have. So I have 1.5 inches here. I have 1.5 inches here. So I'm going to come down by ½ inch here. So that means I have 1 inch here, ½ inch here, and create a curve. So this is the built up neckline. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Please kindly engage our other videos. Please share, subscribe.